Just kidding. You know when somebody asks you if they can ask you a question, it's gonna be a good one. Oh, I'm in! Darker. It was getting too yellow. Too yellow. I don't like yellow. I wanted it to be silver. Like, I wanted to have silver hair, but... Sorry, apparently it's really bad for you. Be happy with my guess. I'm so glad that I got kicked out of the game, because now I don't have 0 points anymore. It's a quick draw. They should make like some kind of app. God, if we didn't win this though. Pasar el cel del like that. I was like, sorry. Wow. Sorry. I've seen the Jetsons, but it's a futuristic show. It was made by Hanna-Barbera, which are the same people that make the Flintstones. Okay, son los Picapiedra, la familia que te... Tina, I don't remember what her name was. Sorry, in Spanish, in English.
What can I have?
The H-cock that you took. Wait, where's Pig?
Landed further than I intended. So did Alinity.
Okay.